nothing seemed to change. Everywhere I go, I see the same damn thing, and I can't take it no more. I would leave this town, but I have nowhere else to go. Wake up every morning to more bad news, and sometimes I feel like I was born to lose. And Lord, it's driving me out of my mind. I'm gonna catch the next train, and I'll move on down the line. Well, I'll be ready now. I'll be ready when my train pulls in. Well, I'll be ready now. I'll be ready when my train pulls in. You know my time ain't long, oh, and I'll live this life again. Walking down the street, you might see a smiling face, but they'll stab you in the back as soon as you turn and walk away. And Lord, let me bringing me down. Lord is bringing me down. If things don't change round here, ain't no use hanging around. Well, I'll be ready now. I'll be ready when my train pulls in, yeah. Well, I'll be ready now. I'll be ready when my train pulls in. You know my time is long, oh, and I live this life again. Well, I'll be ready now. I'll be ready when my train pulls in. Well, I'll be ready now. I'll be ready when my train pulls in. You know my time ain't long, and I can live this life again. You know my time ain't long, and I can live this life again. You know my time is